Hey YouTubers, Joshua here with Raising Up Richards, and thought I'd do a little walk and talk. It'll be a short one today. Got a lot of stuff going on today. Starting to work on taxes, and that's, of course, that's a job in and of itself. So yeah, trying to do that. I've got a project. A friend, one of our subscribers, was kind enough to mail a surprise item for me, which I'll be doing a YouTube video here in hopefully the near future about. Really excited about that, and it's actually going to probably lend itself to a new series of videos coming up, so really excited about that, but I'm not going to give out the secret of that just yet. You'll just have to keep watching. But I thought while I'm out here on a walk and talk, take a look at this is where we're going to have our garden, and right here, this is our compost pile, and Lord willing, we're going to have a thermal composting. So that's pretty exciting. Give a little sneak peek here. You can see it's a very windy day, so I'm going to knock some stuff over. Here's our garden, and this is the start of our garden. I believe this is I want to say maybe 80 square feet. I want to make it like 100 square feet. Eventually we're gonna over here maybe add to it, but it's a pretty big garden right now. We may stick with that, I'm not sure yet, but anyway, yeah, we're gonna have a lot of stuff growing here, Lord willing. So a lot of things going on. Look at the driveway, man. Look at all this water. It's crazy. So yeah, country living. It's a little crazy right now. Kids are crazy. Kids are growing. They're learning a lot. Got stuff like potty training. Yeah, it's crazy right now, but appreciate your prayers, appreciate your support, and headed off to get the mail right now. Since Rachel's accident, I can't leave the house for a significant length of time, probably no more than 5 minutes. So right now, just doing my daily trip to check the mail. Oh, while I'm out here, I forgot about this another project I did recently. You can see here in the driveway, this little white stuff. This is ash from our wood stove. I'll have to do another video on the wood stove someday. It's funny when you walk around and you see all these different things, and it reminds you of either a different project or a different video idea. But anyway, all this, so this is ash from our wood stove. It kind of is a makeshift substance for our driveway. Obviously we'd prefer gravel, but trying to save money, trying to be a wise steward, so we'll have to use our ash from our wood stove to kind of patch up our driveway. So yeah, a lot of stuff going on. Headed out to get the mail here. Let's see. Wow, look at all this water. Woo! It's a drain pipe that they put in a while back, and tell you what, let's see if you viewers want to take a look and see what it looks like in the drain pipe. There you go. All right, you've seen it before I have. Well, that's going to be it for today. So thank you all for watching, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and the like button. That does help out our channel, and keep you posted on upcoming videos. All right, God bless.